Welcome to iCapital Network. iCapital Network is the financial technology company with the mission to power the world's alternative investment marketplace. Our platform has transformed the way alternative investments are bought and sold through tech-based solutions for advisors, their high net worth client base, asset managers, and banks. Marketing strategy: consolidate the iCapital Network brand in global markets. Target both traditional and digital media channels to advertise iCapital Network service worldwide. Create positive interaction with technology platform specialized in crypto content, news and social networks. Leverage strategic marketing and public relation global partners for high brand product and service awareness. Establish international roadshow tour and sales distribution network. Promotion and formation of strategic alliance for distribution and use of the token for everyday transactions. Focus on industry leaders and user testimonies. iCapital Network Technology has programmed and is undertaking a global roadshow for the private placement campaign among high net worth and institutional investors who have already shown a keen interest in its pre-operational stage. The roadshow is complemented by a comprehensive and custom-designed digital media campaign focusing on crypto investors, cryptocurrencies, market in Europe, Asia, Middle East, Latin America, and US, among others. Updates on the roadshow events will be announced through our web page and social media. Services: integrity. Honesty and integrity are fundamental to everything we do. Partnership. The success of our clients and partner is our relentless focus. Collaboration. Teamwork and collaboration are the foundation of our success. Excellence. We strive for flawless execution. Accountability. We demonstrate commitment, caring, and enthusiasm. What is cryptocurrency trading? Cryptocurrency trading involves speculating on price movements via a CFD trading account or buying and selling the underlying coins via an exchange. Here you will find more information about cryptocurrency trading, how it works, and what moves the markets. Forex trading. The global foreign exchange market is currently experiencing healthy growth. Foreign exchange (FX) or Forex refers to a system that facilitates the transaction of currencies from different countries. It is performed through credit instruments such as bill of foreign currency, bank draft, and telephonic transfers. The fund transfer function through an electronic network of bank, financial institutions, broker, and individual traders. Forex also finds extensive application for transforming funds to support the exchange of various goods and services between nations. A superior trading platform for fabricated assets. Virtually any asset can be supported by the peer-to-pool engine, whether it's stock, commodities, leverage, futures. How system will work? The system reads in stock, commodities, asset price via a decentralized price collateral. Users look up collateral as collateral, and if asset value rise above the collateral threshold, the collateral is liquidated to ensure the solvency of the system. Why us? iCapital employees do not have access to user wallet. iCapital currency is stored in their unique wallet, which are controlled by the smart contracts automatically. After coin sale is completed, all funds are automatically transferred to the wallet that is specified by the client or created for the client. Platform employees don't have access to unique client wallet and cannot perform transfer from them. Currency is generated and issued automatically as well, and only after the receipt of funds to a campaign smart contract is confirmed. This protects the issued iCapital currency from fraud and backs all currency with a real monetary value. This protects the issued iCapital currency from fraud and backs all currency with a real monetary value. The iCapital platform will evolve to offer the token-based accounts, which will be led by the use of our very own iCapital token. Currently, we use the online trading to be an advanced version of currency exchange, which has been there since the advent of an economic system. The online platform's traders have complete control of their trades and they enjoy instant execution and complete transparency. Today, we are entering into an advanced version of trading blockchain. iCapital Network Currency Brand Value Building. iCapital Network Technologies is committed to a high brand value building standards. For this, iCapital Network strategy calls for the development of a business ecosystem of apps designed to address the barriers to crypto mass adoption. All aims to build iCapital Network currency, brand awareness and value. Among key features and developments behind iCapital Network are an international digital banking platform with the banking services for the fiat and crypto users, a cross-border payment and remittance platform, digital regulated custody service, UBIS, the pathway platform to the iCapital Network ecosystem with digital wallet, exchange for Tether, Bitcoin, Ether and US dollars, a merchant processing system, bank cards and much more, all under the KYC AML framework and biometric security system for all platforms. This strategy for the brand includes the implementation of a comprehensive public relations and digital marketing campaigns using most channels available in the digital currency field. Furthermore, in pursuit of its vision to position iCapital Network currency at the forefront of the cryptocurrency industry and market, iCapital Network will engage in international roadshow, participate in digital currency trade show, and publish in business magazine and business forum, targeting key potential clients and strategic alliance. In addition, the brand value building strategy includes a comprehensive digital media plan with a significant investment in social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Telegram, Twitter, and Google. Moreover, we will collaborate and build a strategic business banking and technology alliance with potential partners to deliver unmatched value and practical application to continue delivering cost-effective solutions for today's digital currency world, all directed to add global value to the brand and added value as well to iCapital Network holders. Business opportunity. Joining package. Packages RWI, bonus coin to RWI, days, total $50 packages, 0.25 RWI, $0.12 bonus coin to RWI, 400 days, total $150, $100 packages, $0.66 RWI, $0.33 bonus coin to RWI, days 300, total $300, 300 packages, $2 RWI, $1 bonus coin to RWI, 300 days, total 900, $500 packages, $3.33 RWI, $1.65 bonus coin to RWI, 300 days, total $1,500, $1,000 packages, $7.14 RWI, $3.5 bonus coin to RWI, 280 days, $3,000 total, $3,000 packages, $23 RWI, $11.5 bonus coin to RWI, 260 days, total $9,000, $5,000 packages, $41.66 RWI, $20.83 bonus coin to RWI, 240 days, $15,000 total, $10,000 packages, $90.90 RWI, $45.45 bonus coin to RWI, 220 days, $30,000 total. Types of income. Direct income, matching income, booster income, reward income, rebuy income, coin income on working income, direct matching, coin income on non-working income, RWI, direct income, 5% direct income, iCapital token 25% of total income, earn 5% of business on your every direct referrals, plus iCapital token 25% of total income, matching income, matching income ratio 1:1 unlimited, capping as per package, daily closing, Matching income 7% plus iCapital token 25% of total income. Booster income 3 direct in 15 days. RWI double. Double your RWI by making 3 direct referrals within 15 days from your date of activation. Note, direct referrals package should be same higher than your package. Reward income 1. Left $1,000, right $1,000. 1 GM gold coin. Second, left $5,000, right $5,000, Goa tour 2%. Reward income. Third, left $10,000, right $10,000, Bangkok. 4. Left $20,000, right $20,000, Dubai 2%. Reward income. 5. Left $50,000, right $50,000, 30 GM gold. 6th, left $1 lakh, right $1 lakh, Alto Car STD showroom. Reward income. 7th, left $5 lakh, right $5 lakh, Creta 1.6 showroom. 8th, left $10 lakh, right $10 lakh, Audi Q3 showroom. Reward income. 9th, left $25 lakh, right $25 lakh, Land Rover Discovery showroom. 10th, left $50 lakh, right $50 lakh, BMW 7. Reward income. 11th, left $1 crore, right $1 crore, Lamborghini. iCapital token. 100% value token coin will add in your wallet on daily basis as per package's durations. 25% token will be distributed from your earning from direct and matching income in your wallet with every income. Rebuy income 20% add on RWI on second package activation. Get 20% extra RWI from your second package purchase. Roadmap February 2021 Crypto ICO platform idea of generation. July 2021 ICO start. November 2021 token distribution starts. January 2022 exchange listing for trading. June 2022 iCapital Network beta version for trading platform release. Terms and conditions. Matching ratio 1:1 unlimited. Capping as per package. Daily closing. Withdrawal will only on Friday morning 10 am to 4 pm. Payment release on Monday. For booster income, direct referral package should be same higher than your package. Contact us. Visit www.icapital.live. Email ID support@icapital.live. Thank you so much.